Hey, I'm doing a little bit of a pre-warning for this video because of the creepy crawlies that are going to come up here. Yeah, like you can see now, I'm clean and I have nothing on me anymore, I hope. We've been fighting mites for a couple of months now in the chicken coop, and we noticed it got worse the last couple of weeks, and so we decided to spray them, spray the coop to kill off the mites. We've been doing this every week for about a month now, and then we'd sprinkle something called Kieselgruhe in the coop and on the chickens, which also helps kill off the mites. And well, we thought we were winning the fight, and a couple days ago one of our chickens, Mariana, ended up passing away. She just died from the mites, and that's when we realized that it was much worse than we had thought. And yeah, then we decided we should paint it with Zelo lac. It's just a paint they use in silos. And I made an attempt to stay clean, and the mites made an attempt at mass exodus. There were just so many. So many. Anyway, sit back and enjoy. Hello everybody. Since I'm over here itching like crazy because of the good fun that is going on in these guys' house, it's got me itching so much, and now we've cleaned it out and we're gonna paint it to seal it, because we've been fighting these little mites forever and it just is not working. We lost a chicken a couple of days ago to it, but yeah, like I said, my skin is crawling the same as it is all over this wood, and I hope that this will take care of it. So be back with an update on what happens after this. I could not tell you how unpleasant this is. I can feel it in my ears, on my head, around my mask, in my clothes, everywhere. Yummy. Yummy. So, first coat on. Probably gonna do 2 or 3. Took care of a lot of the mites. And now my skin is starting to stop crawling. But yeah, they're gonna get to move into the greenhouse back here overnight, probably the next couple of days. But then they'll be good. The first round is done. I think I kind of lost the fight with the paint. So let me think. I think the mites might lose it, and I hope.